Hi everyone. So last session we discussed about difference between corporate level strategy and business level strategy. Now we are going to discuss what do you mean by corporate strategy. Corporate level strategy is related with decisions of overall direction and growth of corporate. So and also resource allocation among businesses, transfer of resources, managing and nurturing a group or portfolio of business. So we need a structure. Then only we are going to that particular strategy. So overall direction. Okay. So what a business does, one is customer group, customer function, alternative technology. This is a business definition. Customer group is the children. So you're going to target customers or children. Customer function, you can give that particular product for nutrition supplements. So alternative technology, we are using advanced food processing. So it is what a business does. So in a multi-business corporate, there is a challenge to serve so many customer groups to satisfy respective customer functions by use of various alternative technologies. For example, it's a single business, you are using only one single technology. But if you're multi-business, you are having alternative technologies. So corporate strategy deals with this challenge of managing a range of businesses, how to allocate resources between them, maximize their contributions, and finally give them a common direction, vision, mission, and corporate objectives. That is a corporate strategy. So four fundamental types of corporate strategies: expansion strategy, stability strategy, retrenchment strategy, combination strategy. So there are four types. We will see one by one. So in the expansion strategy, increasing the scope of business definition of a single or more than one business. For example, ADAG, ADAC, communications, infrastructure, financial services, entertainment, power, natural resource, petrochemical, healthcare, business process, outsourcing. So you can expand. So everything. For example, if it takes the Reliance Departmental Stores, Reliance Telecommunication, Reliance Petroleum. So same like that. It's an expansion strategy. Next one, stability strategy. Stability strategy, it will be in stable, marginal change in business definition to improve its performance. An hospital brings new heart surgical technology. You can change in technology, but you are doing the same surgery, but you are using some robotics or like that. New Horlicks with new supplements, change in product or customer function. You can change in product and or customer function. Now we discussed, customer function, some nutrition supplements. So a bank provides special treatment to its industry account holders, new approach to customer group. So these are all stability strategy. Retrenchment strategies, total or partial withdrawal from one or more businesses, only specialty treatment by a hospital instead of general treatment earlier. So general treatment, it will be converted into the special treatment. So that's a retrenchment strategies. Next, we are going to discuss very important topic, McKinsey's 7S model. So in strategic management, it's a very important because in every business person, you know about the McKinsey 7S model. So you'll see the introduction in this session. We are going to discuss in depth in another session. So McKinsey is a global management consulting firm and the trusted advisors to the world leading business, government, and institutions. It was founded by James O. McKinsey in 1926. The 7S framework is a management model developed by Robert J. Waterman and Tom Peters, also developed MBWA, that is management by walking around. So the management by walking around, it was developed by Robert J. Waterman and Tom Peters. The model is most often used as a tool to assess and monitor changes in the internal situation and organization. So that is a McKinsey model. So now we are going to discuss, I mean that in that next session, we are going to discuss in depth why we are using the McKinsey model, what is the purpose we are using McKinsey model, everything we are going to discuss in the next session. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.